Hello everyone, and thank you very much for your interest in the Ethos Recovery Airdrop. This video is going to be a step-by-step video and process to show all the steps needed to be fulfilled to be eligible for the Ethos Recovery Airdrop when the platform launches later on. This is going to be specifically for Voyager creditors and Voyager VGX holders, and this document is only for those two mentioned. That means if you have USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other crypto assets on Voyager, or as well hold VGX tokens on the Voyager platform, this document is for you. There will be a separate process in the coming weeks in regards to the VGX holders that have their assets outside of the Voyager estate. So make sure you guys are following up the Ethos blog, Ethos Twitter, and other socials that are all currently linked down below in this video to stay up to date, because that process will be coming very, very soon. So now let's go start and begin this step-by-step process on how to register for the Recovery Airdrop. The very first step in this process is using the Google sign-up form. They'll be linked on the very top of this YouTube video, on the Ethos Twitter, Ethos blog, and many other various social media platforms. Now, this link will take you to a document that looks like this. Once again, this is only for Voyager creditors and Voyager VGX holders on the platform, with separate processes coming in the near future. Fill out the form to the best of your ability and put your name, last name, and as well, extra stressing this, use the same email as you use in the Voyager platform. This is for verification purposes, as we're using the Stretto document to verify the assets are the same. So make sure you guys please use the same email. As well, you do want to make sure you opt in to receive email updates. This is required so you guys actually know when you will receive the Ethos tokens and other opportunities to receive the Ethos tokens throughout the coming months. And as well, make sure you guys also include what you are. I myself am a Voyager creditor, VGX holder, and a Celsius creditor, and as well, make sure all the information is true and accurate. As you guys go and do this, then you go and submit. As you submit this documentation, you will get to this next form, which will showcase up the next important step. So for this, you will have a thank you for registering. After completing this form, you must send your Stretto proof of creditor email to here. Now, this email is a very, very specific email, so make sure you guys do copy and paste it correctly. And then we'll go to the next exact step. Now, as you complete that last step, you should have an email right here. As mentioned, make sure you do have this copy and pasted. The next thing you will need to go and find will be your Voyager digital scheduled claim request. Now, this request will look something like this in your email, or if you want to search Voyager digital schedule claim request on the very top of your Gmail, you guys can. Now, this should also have an asset where it shows your Bitcoin, USD, and other various crypto assets. This is the email that you will be forwarding over to that email that we just linked and showed you guys right here. All these links will be linked down below in case you're needed as well. So in case you guys did somehow delete or remove or lost that email, we will have this link down below in the YouTube video or blog, but you guys want to go to the case.stretto.com Voyager file a claim. Then you guys will go to step 2 and then enter in the email address that you guys have for your Voyager account. And then once you go and submit, click submit. Then with this, you will be able to go get a brand new email over here from the Voyager digital schedule claimed request. This request, once again, will be the same similar form. Once you guys do receive this form, you guys go to the right-click button over here on the More. As you press More, you press Forward. After you go and see to this document, for this, you will go and copy and paste the same email link we had before, which is the voyager.creditor@inparser.com. Now, for this, you do not need to type in anything, so please do not type. And as you do that, you go and press Send. As you go and send over there, you should have a forwarder email over with this. Now, once you go and forward the email to the proper email address, you should receive an email from Ethos themselves. This email will go and, number 1, show that you did go and successfully sign up for the Ethos Recovery Airdrop, but as well will give you your Ethos allocation. The process values will have your account value in USD, your VGX balance, and this is all both from Voyager itself, and then as well your Ethos allocation. Now, there will be many opportunities to earn Ethos in the future, so please make sure you guys are either signed up and checking your emails, or as well following all the socials linked down below for more chances to earn Ethos. And we will once again be having another process for VGX holders that do not have their assets currently on Voyager in the coming few weeks. Thank you very much for your time. Subscribe if you guys want more Ethos updates, and good luck on the airdrop.